Why are you sad?
Okay, sa description of a near...
Are you promoting C2 with MC content? Oh my god. Are just promoting.
Okay, what's the reason many...
Sigurd College shoes.
drop out of school?
Since 1412.
The reason is poverty. Alright, when they drop out of school, what happens?
Laughter is the best medicine.
Where do the children go?
Masamang humalimboba sa
Okay,
pagkain.
number 3. Anecdotally.
Isang paalala.
Okay.
Ayan ang vampira. Bakit ba may lungkot sa aking mga... Sisilip ka pa. Chismosa ng bibig mo, chismosa pa ang mata mo.
Started a communal...
Bye, Panox yun. Para hindi ka na nahihiya.